What's up guys, Milsas here and welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you the top 8 Cydia tweaks to hack in-app purchases. With these tweaks you can buy in-app purchases for free. These tweaks can hack a lot of apps. I've tried all of these tweaks on iOS 14 and they all work very well. Alright, the first tweak we have here is iGameGuardian. iGameGuardian is one of the best and important tweaks. This tweak will allow you to hack thousands of games easily. Check out the video tutorial link above to see how this tweak works. It needs some time. Alright, the next one is apps hacks. This tweak is also a great tweak. It allows you to hack over 300 popular apps. Also, you can download paid apps for free. There are many popular apps that you can easily get through this tweak. Alright guys, this is a really great tweak. Give it a try. Okay, the next one is Tofa tweak. Tofa tweak is also a great tweak which allows you to hack many popular apps and buy in-app purchases for free. With this tweak you can hack design apps, remove ads from apps and more features. It's a really good tweak. This tweak is completely free. Okay, the next one is Arab hack. This is also a good tweak for hacking popular apps and games. With this tweak you can also buy in-app purchases for free. More features you will know when you try the tweak. This tweak is also completely free. Alright, the next one is MyiAPCracker 2. This is also another good tweak. With this tweak you can buy in-app purchases for free. This tweak is also a good option for hacking in-app purchases and it provides a lot of great options. Okay guys, you need to try this tweak. It's really good tweak. Alright, the next one is DZHackInApp. This is also another good tweak. With this tweak you can hack in-app purchases. This tweak is also a good option for hacking in-app purchases. Alright, the next one is MyiAPCracker. This tweak is my favorite tweak. With this tweak you can hack in-app purchases. This tweak provides create purchase receipt feature and it allows you to create a fake purchase receipt that allows you to buy in-app purchases for free. Okay guys, the last tweak we have here is local IAP store. This tweak is one of the most popular tweaks ever and it's one of the most downloaded tweaks. With this tweak you can buy in-app purchases for free. Okay guys, all of these tweaks support iOS 14. Alright guys, you should know that most online games cannot be hacked with these tweaks. Online games need cheat engines to hack them and you can download GameGuardian tweak if you are using iOS 11 or up or Game Jam tweak if you are using iOS 10 or less. Okay guys, important note, don't install all of these tweaks together, just try them one by one. If you install all of these tweaks together, there will be a conflict between the tweaks, so none of them will work. Make sure to try the tweaks one by one. Also, if the tweaks don't work for you, be sure to disable jailbreak check. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Peace.